Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change the third person and first person view in Star Wars Battlefront II. So at first I have to get into the battlefield. For example, I'm gonna get into my friend here. So as a default you have to use a C button on the keyboard, and as you can see I'm on the first person view. If I click C, I change to third person. Also if I click one more time, I can choose from the left or right side of third person. If I hold the C, I move to the third person view. That would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!